things I hate about Xiaomi dual basket air fryer are some that are really basic things. The first thing is definitely touch buttons, which are just not very responsive and good. At one moment they work perfectly and then it just gets stuck. That is probably because there is the option to hold and fast change the temperature. It is not done properly because sometimes I just want to fine tune, and you see what it happens. This is just I don't know, is it intentional or maybe I'm stupid, but I don't like it either way, because you see this, when I hold and change the temperature, I could faster change the temperature if the touch button is more responsive, which majority of people gonna do, and just a fast touch. So that is a huge minus for me, and basically it works for every button. Just check this out. I mean, this is catastrophic. Looks really nice. The next thing which I super hate is this. The working basket stops when the second basket is pulled out. I understand that this is a safety feature, but they could the option to turn that off, because there are two heaters, they are separate. So I don't see a reason to turn off this basket when this one is pulled out, which even isn't working at all. And the second basket is covering the second heater here. So I really don't understand why this should be a problem. Last but not any less important thing which I don't like is build quality. I mean, it is not that much bad, but it could be better. The first thing which I notice is that top part got bent on the middle of it. It flexes a lot, and from heat it expands and shrinks, and basically on the middle you have a bump, which is not really appealing. On the middle there is, on the top part between the cover and here, it is air intake. This is aesthetically nice, but over time you will get a build-ups. It just doesn't look really well. Inside, what I don't like is these flex a lot. They are made of really thin metal, and the first time when I was putting them inside, they're really bent a lot. Even if you don't take care when you pull them up, you can bend them on the middle too much, and the Teflon can start taking off. So you need to take care initially until the rubbers on the sides get squished a bit, and after that it is a lot easier. It is the same story for the smaller basket. On the top you can see how everything looks after not that much time of use. I'm using this air fryer for like around 2 months, and check out how much dirt there is inside. It is because there is no mesh to protect vents and heating element from oils and build-ups to get inside. Those are downsides. It doesn't mean that air fryer is not doing its job. For the price point, it is probably the best purchase in the segment. Let me know down below what you think. See ya.